3 ways to deal with a leaking oil pan bolt or stripped threads. Every now and then, you will find a mechanic who thinks the oil drain bolt should be tightened with an impact gun. An oil pan is made from either stamped steel or aluminum, and either metal can be damaged if the oil drain bolt is over-tightened or cross-threaded. Stripping the threads in the pan can cause the oil to leak out around the bolt. It's unfortunate when a customer comes in for a simple oil change and ends up walking out of the dealership with a bill for over $200. Usually, a customer will never even know the oil pan or its bolt are damaged until the next visit to the garage. Because if the mechanic who caused the problem tells you about it, it makes him look like a bad mechanic. Here are 3 options for dealing with a leaking oil drain bolt and damaged oil pan threads. Option 1. Use a rubber plug as a temporary repair if you are in a tight spot and you don't have time to repair the threads in the oil pan. You could install a rubber drain plug for the oil pan. The rubber plug is used as a temporary fix, and it's not meant to be a permanent fix. There are several different styles. You just need to choose the correct one for your application. Once the rubber plug is installed, be sure to tug on it and push it to make sure it is installed correctly. Run the engine until it reaches normal operating temperature, that is, until the engine cooling fan cycles twice, and check for leaks. Option 2. Repairing the oil pan threads with a helicoil. Using a helicoil is one option for repairing threads. The helicoil is a hardened steel thread insert that comes in many different sizes and thread pitch. Repair with a helicoil is strong and permanent. I have used helicoils to repair head bolts without regret. Option 3. Repairing the oil pan threads with a time cert. The third and best option for repairing oil pan drain bolt threads is to use a drain bolt repair kit made by Time Cert. The kit comes with everything you need to produce a professional repair that will last for the life of the car as long as nobody screws it up again. A Time Cert insert is similar to the helicoil, but is specially designed to repair damaged oil pans. The kit also comes with new oil drain bolts and sealing washers. This is a plus, and there is no need to try to match up the thread pitch or find the right diameter bolt to fit the pan after the repair. I hope you like my video. Please like my video and share my video with friend.